Today I am on the beautiful Greek island of Corfu and I'm going to be showing you this luxury, gorgeous 4 double bedroom villa, which is for sale by the way, so if you are interested in that or renting it, all the details will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check that one out. The villa is located on the north of Corfu Island in a small but very luxurious town called Arillis. The villa is also only 5 minutes drive or about a 25-minute walk maximum from the seafront and the beach. The beach actually has everything you need on it, so if you want restaurants, bars, cafes, small supermarkets and activities, you'll find everything there. So right now I'm just going to take you guys down to the villa and we're going to have a look inside and out, and I'm going to show you guys the spectacular view. So let's go. So right now we're just at the front of the villa, just give you guys a little close up. Isn't it just absolutely gorgeous? And I don't know if you can see in the distance there, but we have lots of beautiful trees over there as well. I think they're Cypriot trees is the name of them. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I think what we'll do is we'll just take a look inside to start with. This is the fun part. Okay, I have left it open. So as you can come in, you can actually see me here, which is exciting. We do have a nice stairwell here, which is absolutely gorgeous. And as you come straight in the front door, you'll also see a large living space, which is perfect if you want to have a nice indoor meal or social gathering. It's absolutely fantastic for that. As well, you've got a big open plan kitchen space and dining room. The kitchen does come with a very large fridge, lots of mythos for all you beer drinkers. So plenty of space in there, and of course we do have a large freezer space as well. There's always teas and coffees, and of course cups. We have a kettle, nice little sink space there. You've got your knives, you've got your toaster, your microwave, utensils as well. Just about everything that you need. Of course we do have perfect indoor dining space as well. And of course I just have to bring your attention to this spectacular view. So you can just imagine waking up and seeing this every morning that you're here. It is an absolute paradise. And the pool. We do have some things being cleaned here at the moment, so please excuse the all the things laying about there. So I'll take you guys around to the first bedrooms here. So downstairs you do have one bedroom, which does have an ensuite, which is a really nice clean bathroom space here. Absolute excellent shower. I have used these before myself. All these facilities are absolutely second to none. There I am again. Excuse me guys, you will see me a lot in this this little vlog here. So 3 more bedrooms up here. Right, so as you come to the top of the stairs, you have a lot of beautiful paintings. I do believe these were taken by the owner as well, John Manassis. So there you go, gorgeous photos there. And again, an absolutely spectacular view. It's a very bright, open space here, so, and the colours of the walls and the ceilings and all of the interior design as it goes is just works absolutely perfectly. Another gorgeous photo there. Right, so in this first upstairs bedroom you actually have an ensuite as well, which is very useful. It's good to have some privacy. And then 2 bedrooms, you know, fantastic furniture as well. I do absolutely love this by the way as well. This is gorgeous. And a mirror so you can check yourself every morning. And of course This is probably one of, if not my favourite parts of the villa. You just step out onto a private balcony and then you can see the pool, you can see the olive tree, all the cypriot trees in the distance, and then of course I'll just take a little zoom in there so you can just see what I'm seeing. So that should be a realistic eye view there from when you're actually standing where I'm standing. So as you come out of that first upstairs bedroom, you'll see me again. Right, so I'll take you to the next bedroom along. Again, this one has a gorgeous ensuite. I keep saying that, but all of these bedrooms actually have ensuite, which again is just another absolute luxury. Check yourself in the morning. And everything you need. Nice little towel rack there, storage. Very good sized bar, if you could fit about 2 people in there. And then we have another incredible shower. So as you come out of the bathroom, first thing you see on your right is a fantastic sized wardrobe space here. So that'll be more than enough for 2 or 3 people to put their things inside. Nice little desk area, a double bed and 2 very nice nightstands. This is probably, potentially the best, I'd say potentially the best, probably the best balcony here, because you can actually see further out than the rest of the balconies, and then you've just got this gorgeous view. You can see all these luxurious, you know, trees and villas, and oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. You see the decking, which we'll go down and check soon, the pool, and you can say hi to your neighbours. So as you come out of this bedroom, you'll see the final bedroom. Again, like I said, another ensuite. I don't need to show you too much of that bathroom because they are pretty much identical. But in this bedroom, you actually have 3 beds. So technically, I guess this place could sleep 9 or 10 if you want to have enough person on the sofa. But I think maybe at that point it becomes potentially a little bit crowded. The view, absolutely beautiful, and you can actually see these cypriot trees and other villas. Right, so you've just woken up and feel a little hungry, so you make yourself some breakfast, and then, oh, maybe you don't want to eat inside today, so let's go outside and take a look. Isn't this just the most peaceful place you have ever seen? Yeah, so plenty of sunbeds and a large decking space. And the pool is absolutely gorgeous as well, as you've seen. If I could just explain to you guys how clean the air is up here. It is just absolutely perfect. You can breathe so easily up here. And I come from the UK, so when I smell UK air and then I come and smell the air here, it is truly another level. So we have more beds here, and we have a really nice outdoor seating area here. And this is especially really nice just to have some friends and drink some wine or coffee during the morning or evening, depending on what your style is. This is the villa's main olive tree, and it is beautiful as well. If you come around here, we can actually see there's a really nice bench if you fancy a little bit of shade, and also there's a very nice stone. So as well as nice olive trees and outdoor seating areas, we do have this absolutely beautiful table. I do especially love this with the stone wheel. Of course, it has been cut down at the bottom there, otherwise your food will be rolling everywhere, so we don't want that. This is a very large dining table. As you come around the final side of the villa, we do have a barbecue, which is very, very useful for when you're wanting to have some friends over or just grill your food, which can be a lot healthier. Very nice shower area, so if you want to shower off all of that chlorine, then that is perfect. And then we do have the side gate, so if you want to leave the house this way, then you are welcome to do that. Right, so that's the end of the little tour, or shall I say large tour, because I may have dragged that out a little longer than expected, but I did really want you guys to see everything this place has to offer. So thank you so much for watching. give you a bit of a view before we leave. And if you enjoyed this video, so please like, subscribe and share the video. And if you know anybody that wants to buy the most gorgeous villa on this side of Corfu, then definitely get in contact and all the details will be below. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.